try to ask you why, but you never say a thing. Won't you hold me tight? I feel I'm gonna bleed. And even though your eyes will not talk about me, I feel like I have changed since you decide to leave. But won't you hold me tight again? No, 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 no. 'Cause I know when I close my eyes, you're somewhere else. Surrounded by the emotions that you never let me breathe. How to find something else inside the world that bleeds. Whenever it gets cold, I know you're warm into his arms. Whenever it gets warm, you know I'm thinking back when I was talking alone. No one would hear a thing. Yes, I was driving alone. No one to understand me. But won't you hold me tight again? No, 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 no. 'Cause I know when I close my eyes, you're somewhere else. Yes, I know when I close my eyes. Yes, I know when I close my eyes. Yes, I know when I close my eyes, you're somewhere else.